This is another short little video filmed through the ATN Shot Trak, mounted to my BSA Superten here, a 12 gauge over and under shotgun later on, and at the end my HW97 Springer, all filmed at different times of year on different farms. This was a morning spent trying to decoy rooks and jackdaws that were absolutely hammering a field of barley just behind me the other side of the hedge. Since the crop was still standing, the best way to decoy them was on this recently cut silage field right next to it. And it worked quite well, except for the boy behind the gun was absolutely pants. And people wonder why I use the air rifle so much. But I do have my moments, few and far though they may be. Oh, we're back to missing again. I meant to do that. It was a warning shot. Thankfully that one dropped 50 yards up the field. That's more like it. I did notice the more I dropped and set up as decoys, the better they came in. But of course you have to hit them once they do come in. I think I would have packed up and went home if I'd have missed that one. Back to the air rifle and trying to shoot through the slats here. Missed. And no, I didn't hit the cow. Watch the left hand side of the board near the bottom of the picture. Yep, took a nick out the side of the board. I just wasn't getting things lined up properly that morning. That's more like it. It's not a terribly long shot, it's under 25 yards, but I have to thread the pellet through a 3/4 inch gap between the two boards. Don't know what happened that time. Total miss. I think I gave up for the day. I thought there was something wrong with the rifle, but that was probably me. Back into the cattle sheds, and this time I've got the HW97 Springer with me. There's 2 or 3 hooded crows just outside the door here, pecking at some meal, but I've a 177 Springer and I need a dedicated headshot to drop them. And I manage it, thankfully. They're a big strong bird, and that's the best way to drop them on the spot. And a bonus magpie, thankfully. The magpies and jackdaws thankfully aren't as tough, so a good chest shot usually puts them down. He had his chance to fly out the door and he didn't take it. Just managed to catch that one on film and no more. He only came in to get out of the rain. Well, it's a right wee mix-up of a video, but it just goes to show how versatile the little ATN Shot Trak was. Shotguns, Springers, PCPs. Why they decided to discontinue it, I don't know, but anyway, hope you enjoyed the video.